Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Sneaker Life back with another video, man. Today I wanted to show you a pretty cool Croc. You know, Crocs have been popping for a minute, for a very long time, and Staple actually did a collaboration with them, and I wanted to show you guys these because I thought they were actually just kind of crazy. Like, what a weird concept and executed so well. Now, there was a card in here and it said, "Our first collaboration with Crocs celebrates New York City in all of its grit and glory. The Sidewalk Luxe classic clog takes inspiration from pigeons and poop as their paint, but every canvas needs a little color. And for that, we've created NYC themed gibbets that turn NYC's trash into wearable treasure." Now, first and foremost, we gotta talk about the box. I mean, right off rip, I love the look of this. Typically, when you pick up Crocs, they come in a plastic bag with, some pretty minimal materials. This box was cool, it was a little special edition. Now, as soon as you see the Croc, you wonder right away, like, yo, what is that? And clearly it's a pigeon foot, and it's actually a gibbet as well. It comes off, you can remove it. You can have one on and then just fill it with the other gibbets, which we'll get into. That's the fun thing about Crocs. I really like the gibbets that they've added just to give you that somewhat of customization to your shoes. But you do have to be aware when wearing these out. Gibbets can fall off. Now, they don't fall off very easily, but they can. So just be sure to be looking down as you're walking, because you don't want to go home at the end of the day and realize, oh no, I lost my favorite gibbet. Now, they really just did a great job at being creative with this. It does come with a bunch of different gibbets. One being a box of matches. You have what it seems to be like some ramen, I would assume, some noodles, or maybe it's coffee. I think it's actually coffee. That makes way more sense. You have a cockroach, a little gator sticking out of the drain with some pizza. Low-key reminds me of like the Ninja Turtles or something. It ain't New York without the rats, them big old fat ugly mutants that live under the city, man. Woo, that's one thing. When I was in New York, I did not see rats, but I feel like next time I go there, like, it's just something you got to do for the culture. You know what I mean? You have a gum gibbet, which low-key reminds me, it looks like a brain, but it's for sure gum. And then, of course, they had to throw in the nice little pigeon, because what would this set be without an actual pigeon? Now, the texture on these shoes is actually really interesting. I'm assuming the whole concept is concrete, right? But it honestly looks like the moon. Like, that's kind of more so what it reminds me of. And like I said, in terms of the texture, it's kind of like grainy, and I wonder what that concept is all about, because clearly they did it on purpose. So it'd be really interesting to know what the design behind that is, but it does feel almost like sandpaper a little bit, which actually does make sense, because I do remember on the card it does say that it's Jason Pollock, which, if you guys don't know about Jason Pollock, he is an artist. He actually did a collaboration with Bear Brick. There was a Vans collab. So now I see it. Now that makes way more sense in terms of the shoe. It's the sidewalk, the texture is the concrete, and that kind of drip texture is from Jason Pollock. So there you go. Answered my question and maybe yours. Overall, man, just execution is just so well. Obviously, we know the basic material used, but in terms of just the gibbets, the texture of the sneaker, the print on the shoe is just fabuloso, as I want to say, and definitely a looker in terms of Crocs. A lot of times everyone's wearing Crocs. These will for sure stand out in any crowd, and this is honestly what I love to see from Crocs, like collabing with all these big brands and just making a truly special edition Croc. It's one thing to just add some elements and some simple gibbets, but the way they did this was amazing, and I really can't wait to see what else Crocs will do. Obviously, when working with a company like Staple, they have been killing it recently. I don't know if you guys have seen their just revamp on social media, the clothing pieces that they've been dropping. Overall, I'm really excited to see the future of what Staple becomes as well. But I'd love for you guys to let me know down below, what do you think of the Staple Crocs? Is this something that you would like in your collection? Or maybe let me know some collabs down below that you'd like to see with Crocs. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys with this on foot, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for stopping by.